Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, make a working duplicate of the audio and load the highest quality file available, because fidelity affects separation. Next, open Audacity and import the track, then run Splitter or an AI stem splitter to produce explicit stems for vocals and accompaniment. While the split runs, set project sample rate to match the file and enable GPU if available. Once done, label stems clearly so you know which is vocal, which is music. This saves time in the next phase. Now focus on separation. Import stems into a spectral editor and scrub for bleed points. These are where music leaks into the vocal stem. Use spectral repair to attenuate offending frequencies and an adaptive EQ to carve overlapping bands. Make small gains, then listen. If phase issues appear, realign waveforms between stems to avoid comb filtering. Apply a gentle noise reduction and a gate set to the vocal envelope so silent gaps don't reveal music. This is where precision makes the edit credible. Finish by balancing levels. Perform a test mixdown at around -6 dB LUFS to retain headroom and check intelligibility on headphones and small speakers. If leftover music masks words, use mid-side processing or sidechain compression to duck the instrumental during vocal phrases. This preserves energy and clarity. Once satisfied, export stems and a final stereo mix. If you hear artifacts, troubleshoot by reducing restoration strength, realigning phases, or
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.